Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get a US bank account with Payoneer. Alright, so basically what we'll be doing is we're going to be creating an account with Payoneer. Then once your account is activated, you'll be able to gain access to a US bank account that you can use to receive money from any part of the world. So this US bank account is going to come with your name as the beneficiary, and you can receive money to the account from any client from any part of the world. So basically the first thing we have to do now is to create an account with Payoneer. All right, so I'm going to add a link at the description of the video, and when you click on the link at the description of the video, you're going to see something like this. All right, so when you sign up, you're going to have the ability to earn $50 bonus, all right, when you've started receiving money with your Payoneer account. All right, so this unique link that I'm going to add at the description of the video is going to give you access to $50 sign up bonus. So once you click the link, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on sign up and earn $50. So once you click on sign up, the next thing you want to do is to go through all the details here. So I already have an account with Payoneer, so I wouldn't be able to create another account because I can't have a double account. So in your own case, what you want to do is you want to choose no, my business isn't registered, that is it's just for you, it's a personal Payoneer account. So what you want to do is you want to enter your name, your last name, email address, then we enter your email address, then your date of birth. So your contact details is going to is going to include your country, your home address, and some other stuff like that, whereby your security details is going to include stuff like security question, just to verify your Payoneer account, and they're going to ask you to verify by uploading your passport or your national ID in order for you to verify the Payoneer account. So once your Payoneer account is created and verified, the next thing you want to do now is to log into the Payoneer account. So from there you'll be able to gain access to your US bank account that you can use to start receiving money from any part of the world. So I have an account already, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account and show you how you can get a US bank account with your Payoneer account. So I'm going to click on sign in so I can sign into my Payoneer account. So as you can see, I've just signed into my account, and as you can see from the screen here, you having a Payoneer account means you are not limited to US bank account only. So when you have a Payoneer account, you'll be able to create a Euro account, you'll be able to create a British pound sterling account, you'll be able to create a USD account, and several accounts like that. So for you to get your US bank account, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on next here, then click on the USD. So when you click on the USD, it's going to bring out your account details. So looking at the right hand side here, as you can see, you're going to see receiving account. So when you click on copy details, it's going to bring out your account details, and when you click on view info, it's going to bring out your bank account details. So this is where you can easily copy your account number, your routing number, and your account beneficiary name. All right, so this is basically how you can do that. So I've just showed you how you can use Payoneer accounts to get a US bank account. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.